Hi guys, I'm Dinithi. This is the 34th video of the series of designing an e-commerce web application, and today I'm gonna take you guys through the programming part behind our invoice page. So this is my invoice page. Moving on to my code, this is single product view, and I've assigned this pay now function to our buy now button on click. So here's that function. I explained this whole thing in my previous video. Today I'm gonna focus on this part, save invoice. So here's our save invoice function. There's no need to get anything from our HTML files since I already got everything from this pay now function. So I created a new form and appended all the values to it. Then I created a new XML HTTP request and sent my request to saveinvoice.php. So here's that one. First, I started a session and linked my database. Then I checked whether this session U variable is declared or not. And if yes, then I assigned all the variables we got using post method to variables. Then I used this search query to get all from product table where ID equals to our product ID. Then I fetched each row and got the quantity of the product as the current quantity. Then I got the new quantity by subtracting this quantity from current quantity. Then I used this query to update the quantity field in our product table. Then I got the date and time using the usual method. And finally, I inserted everything to our invoice table while sending the response text as 1. Moving back to our function. So if I get the response text as 1, then we'll return to invoice.php. Else I highlighted the response text. So here's my invoice page. First, I checked whether if U session variable is declared or not. And if yes, then I assigned our email address and order ID to these variables. Then comes these print and export as PDF buttons, and then customer details. So first, I used this search query to get our customer's address and assign the fetched row to this address data variable. Then over here, I used session U variable to get the user's first name and last name. Then I used this address data to get the line 1 and line 2 of our address, and then the email. Then I used this query to get all from our invoice table where order ID equals to our OID and fetched that row as invoice data. Over here, I got the invoice ID and the date and time using that. Then I got the product details and delivery details using the same method. Yep, so that's pretty much it for this video. Today we went through the programming part behind our invoice. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope to see you all again. Goodbye.